So hey guys, this is I have a Duke 390, so I got the Autologue Design Duke 390 tilt ID, and this feels heavy. Okay, let's start unboxing it. So here we go guys, let's check out the box contents. Damn, Amazon gives 5-star for the packaging though. Okay, so guys don't mind, but I cannot vlog. I haven't really started yet. I'm just kind of practicing, so don't judge. So here we go guys, this is the Autologue tilt ID. It's in a black matte finish. The cutouts are perfect, I guess, and this just sits in your bike like this. So yeah, I'll show you after I've fixed this in my bike. So let's go.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time. Boy, you tell me your business if I'm the man.